Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. You guys know what time it is. We're going to be talking about HBAR. HBAR has done it. And, of course, when I pull out the charts, things will make more sense. But, it has been an amazing time, for the crypto markets over the last, few days. Market has been absolutely booming, especially utility projects. Look at HBAR. Look at VeChain going into Friday morning. Look at Litecoin. A lot of these coins are popping off again, and HBAR was able to do something insane. And of course, when I pull out the charts, things will make more sense. But yeah, if you're looking at it on the daily time frame, up 11.7%. Looking at it on the weekly time frame, it's up 33.9%. Massive moves right now. The price currently sitting at 38.26 cents, up 9.7% in Bitcoin, comparative with the market valuation above $14.6 billion. And that's not what the most exciting thing here is. Look at the 24-hour trading volume. It has gone up substantially. You are sitting at literally $500 million 2 to 3 days back. And right now we are approaching $3 billion in trading volume, which is insane to think about. But before we get into any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrency. So look at the dominance index here, guys. Dominance index is continuing to pull down, even though we did see this uptick a few hours back up to 58.59%. Sorry, not the 58.59%. What am I looking at? We actually saw an uptick up to almost 57.8%. But since then, you are seeing the dominance, pulling down, which of course is nice to see, giving, altcoins even more of a push. And speaking about more of a push, you look what's happened with Bitcoin. Bitcoin is approaching $102,000 going into Friday mornings. Bitcoin is looking amazing right now. When Bitcoin makes moves like this and dominance falls, we know altcoins are going to have a good time. And you can see this for yourself today. Altcoins yet again are popping off. And of course, it speaks for itself. But let's take a look at, Bitcoin briefly over the hourly time frame, and then I'm going to pull out the charts for you guys for HBAR, because I know everyone is here for that. But yeah, here we are. Look at Bitcoin, guys. Bitcoin has smashed past up to that $101,600, and we are about to break out of our yearly high of 2025 that we set for ourselves in the first week of this year. But with that said, let's take a look at what's happening with HBAR. Of course, the tokenization news that came out yesterday, that was massive. But aside from that fact, remember, there's a lot of things happening right now. A lot of confidence with utility projects such as HBAR. People are bullish that maybe there's going to be something big that's happening with some of these US-based projects once Donald Trump comes into the office. But yeah, utility projects at the end of the day, here we are seeing these projects thriving. And most of the people, and I'll repeat this 1,000 times, most of the people thought these coins were completely dead a few months back, and here we are proving everyone wrong. But that's not what the most exciting part here is. What HBAR has been able to do is that it hit a new yearly high. So it actually broke out of the yearly high that we set for ourselves at the beginning of December last year. So we have retested almost 40 cents for the first time since 2021. That is complete madness, to say the least, right now. A lot of excitement within HBAR, and of course you're seeing XRP exploding as well. You're seeing XLM making moves. A lot of these utility projects are moving, and I think we're going to see a wide variety of them, starting to reach, towards their all-time highs. But recorded all-time high for HBAR on CoinGecko, and hear me out. Every exchange has, their own all-time high. But if we go based off of CoinGecko here, CoinGecko's all-time high was recorded on September 15, 2021 at almost 57 cents. And, HBAR is moving up fast, but that's not what we're here for. I want you guys to take a look at HBAR's price on the hourly time frame. Remember that accumulation zone, and, the accumulation zone at this point seems like, something in the past, but, I just got to give HBAR the props. And now, you start to really understand, why I was talking about how important this accumulation pattern really was. It held its ground while there was major volatility within the crypto markets over the past 1 month. You saw the price of HBAR pretty much hold quite strong above this 27 cents. Yes, we did see a few wicks below it, but we never really managed to, stay there for long, and, it continues to reclaim back above. But look at this for yourself, guys. We have broken out towards of course, the new yearly high, and we actually indeed reached 40 cents if you are looking at it on the hourly time frame, which is absolutely completely insane to think about. And the 24-hour trading volume right now is quite high at this moment, and I would not be surprised if HBAR, starts heading towards the main target at that 44 cents. That's that level, that I have my eyes on right now. As far as me, doing an analysis on HBAR, it's a 15% move right now. And if, Bitcoin continues to climb and dominance continues to fall, I really do believe, HBAR could start setting up, some massive moves up to, this level. Of course, I'm projecting, if this were to happen, I do expect that, this will be a rejection a little bit, because of course it's a major resistance that of course we haven't retested since 2021. And pretty much after that, we could really start heading towards all-time highs. So, we're getting closer and closer, but so far so good. But look at what's happening right now. As we broke out and saw a little bit of a minor pullback for HBAR, we are seeing those previous wicks just last year. Of course, this is a major resistance dating back to the previous cycle, but those exact same levels are coming in for support. And this is exactly what you want to see happening. So, so far so good. I'm really, really impressed with this HBAR move here. We'll keep you guys covered, of course, but, the target remains to be the same, which is right here. After that, guys, once HBAR price is able to break out of here, there's not much resistance to head towards the all-time high. So let me know down below what you guys think right now. What are your personal predictions on HBAR? What excites you the most? Shout out to the HBAR community for showing so much love day in, day out. You guys are the best. If you want to let me know that you've watched this video till the absolute end, comment down below moon. So MOON. Comment down moon, and of course, that would show me that you've watched this video till the end. And of course, hit that red subscribe button. Let me know your predictions down below on HBAR and what excites you the most in terms of, a Hedera hash graph. And do you think the year of 2025 is going to be the year where we do see HBAR getting its own ETF? But yeah, let me know down below your personal thoughts. And of course, if you have not subscribed, make sure you do that. We'll see you tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.